Brand new OEM Trane/American Standard GE Genteq 4-speed furnace blower motor. It's 1/3 HP, 115 volts, and 1075 RPM. The GE part number is 5KCP39HGS599S. The Trane part hashtag is MOT09053, also X706716871010. The shaft is 1/2 diameter and 3 long if the shaft is facing up, as seen in the picture. Rotation is clockwise. Motor uses a 5UF370 capacitor. Partial list of Trane/American Standard units that use this item: add 060R936E0, add 060R936F0, add 080C936F0, add 080R936E0, add 080R936F0, add 1B060A9361A, add 1B060A9361 of, add 1B080A9361A, add 1B080A9361 of, add 1B060A9361 AUC060C936B7 AUC060C936B8 AUC060C936B9 AUC060C936BA AUC1B060A9361 AUC1B060A9361 of, AUC1B060A9361 AC AUC1B060A9361 AD AUC1B060A9361 AE AUD040C930K0 AUD060C936K1 AUD080C936K0 AUD100C936K0 AUD1A040A9301 AUD1A040A9301 of, AUD1A060A9361 AUD1A060A9361 of, AUD1B060A9361 AUD1B060A9361 of, AUD1B080A9361 AUD1B080A9361 of, AUD1B100A9361 AUD1B100